Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below as well. So today we are going to be creating a different eye look than what I normally do, like the technique wise. So whether or not it's going to turn out, I have no idea, and if it doesn't work, then we are just going to create the eye look in a different way. So let me zoom you guys on in and we will go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are zoomed in pretty close and I have several different eyeshadow palettes in front of me to achieve the look that I want to create. So the first palette that we're gonna go into is an oldie but a goodie. It's the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and we are just gonna use one shade in here, and it's going to be, if I can even read this, I won't be able to read it, but it is this color right here. And to do that, we are going to go into a really small brush. This is my ColourPop L1 brush. It is very small, as you can tell. I will kind of show you a little bit larger one. So again, it's a really small brush. So I'm just going to lightly dip into that shade. Okay, so I kind of already went ahead and did this eye just to see how I want to place it. So let me do the other eye for you guys to see, and hopefully I can get them to match up. So what I did here is I went just a little bit above my crease, so not directly in it, but just a little bit above it. And I'm gonna blend this out. I just kind of wanted to lay it down so that way I know exactly where I want it placed. Okay, so Emma just came in here, so you're gonna be able to hear her probably in the background, so I do apologize for that. But let's go ahead and do this eye here. Okay, so as you can tell, I had to get a makeup wipe for this eye because this one is so much higher than that one. And I feel like part of the reason is because my eyelid here droops a little bit more than this one, but also because it's the first time doing it this way. So we're gonna try to get my right eye to match up with my left eye. Okay, so I have a lot of props for people who can do this the first time and not attempt to do it like 3 or 4 different times to get their eyes to match up. So I got my right one done, as you can tell, the best that I could to try to match it up with this one, and I brought it out a little bit further too on the ends, more towards the, as you can tell, it lines up with the end of my brow. So now that I am done with that shade, I'm gonna go into a different palette now. So the next palette that I'm wanting to go into is a Morphe palette. And this is my Morphe 35M palette right here. I believe it's 35M, yes, 35M. And we're gonna take that green right there, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wipe off with that same exact brush that I just used, my ColourPop L1 brush. So I'm gonna wipe off that black shade the best that I can on this paper towel in front of me, and I'm gonna dip into that green lightly, and I'm gonna go right above that black. So as you can tell, because I am going in with a small amount at a time, I have to keep dipping into it and applying it. Because you don't want to go in with too much, otherwise you may just have to completely redo what you just did. And knowing my look, that would be. Okay, so now that I have it placed, I'm just gonna take my brush and kind of go back and forth just to blend that out. Okay, back into our Morphe 35M palette, I'm going to apply the green shade that was next to the one we just used. It's a little bit darker, so this one right here. And I'm gonna go over that green shade that we had just placed. Okay, so now I'm going to take my P. Louise and put that all over my eyelid, but I'm not going to bring it out over here. Okay, so I applied my P. Louise on both eyes underneath that black part, and I didn't bring it out. I just literally stopped at the very end of my eyelid, so it should look like that. And now what we're going to do is we are going to take a gold and we're going to take a green. For the gold, I'm going to go into my ColourPop Whatever palette, and we're going to go into a Duh right here. And now I'm going to go into my NYX Glitter Glue primer thing here. And I'm going to take that on a small brush, just a small flat brush, and I'm going to take this from the inner corner and I'm going to stop halfway over. So I'm going to start from the inner corner and then I'm going to bring it halfway over. So I'm just going to take my same exact brush. It's my E20 brush by ColourPop. And I'm just going to push into that pressed glitter. Okay, so then once you have both eyes done, it should look like that. Okay, so once I have that done, I'm going to go into my Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, and I'm going to take the shade Green Room, so it's that bright green right there, and I'm going to put it on the other half of my eyelid. Okay, so once you have that down, it should look like that. Okay, now I'm going to go back into my NYX Glitter Glue. She's talking to the dog. And I'm going to put my glitter glue on top of my green. Okay, so once our glitter glue gets tacky, we're going to go back into our Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. And we're going to take Palm Tree, which is a bluish green shade right underneath that green. And we're going to take that and put that all over our glitter glue. Okay, so then once you have that down, it should look like that. And now we are going to finish up our eye look. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back with that brush that I used at the very beginning, my L1 brush. And what I'm gonna do is go back into my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm gonna go back to that like black shade. So that one right there. And I'm gonna pick up a small amount. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from that outer corner right there, and I'm just gonna bring it down. Okay, so once I have those both connected, I'm gonna go back into that black shade very lightly. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill that in. Okay, so then once you have those filled in, it should look like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black liner. I don't know if this is going to go on top of my glitter or not. I will find out. But it's my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in Very Black. Okay, so once we have our top liner on, we're going to focus on our bottom lash line now. So I'm going to go into that 24A Artist Pass. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go back into our Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, back into that black shade. And I'm going to smoke this out on my bottom lash line. Okay, so then it should look like that. Okay, you guys, so here's the completed eye look. I applied my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara on my lower lashes and then my Ardell Demi Wispies on top. You may see some glue just because it is still drying, but overall, I think the eye look turned out better than what I thought it was going to. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye!